Hello and welcome back. ASA Learning is bringing a new video on our playlist on D365 2023 Wave 1 Business Central new features. This video will explain how to define the invoice posting policy on user setup and what are the impacts. If you want to learn the Business Central or preparing for MBA 800 certification, kindly visit our playlist on BC's functionalities on our YouTube channel ASA Learnings. Kindly like and subscribe our channel and press the bell notifications for more videos on Business Central. For defining the invoice posting policy for the users, new fields has been added in the user setup which will provide how the users can process the invoices. In the user setup, now two new fields has been added. First is for sales invoice posting policy and second is for purchase invoice posting policy. So now let's understand what are the features for this invoice posting policy. So in both sales invoice posting policy and purchase invoice posting policy, three options have been added. One is allowed. So if the user has been given the option as allowed, in that case, he can have the posting options ship, invoice and ship and invoice. Second is prohibited. So the users who has been given the option for prohibited, they can do only shipping and receiving the documents. They cannot post the purchase invoice or sales invoice from the purchase orders and sales orders documents. Third option is mandatory. So if it is mandatory, then they can only select the option ship an invoice in the sales order document and receive an invoice in the purchase order document. So they cannot do only the ship or receive option. So now friend, let's see this feature in the Business Central. For that, in the search bar, let's go to the user setup. So in the user setup, if we will see, we have the two new fields. One is the sales invoice posting policy and one is the purchase invoice posting policy. In both of the fields, we have been given the three options. First is allowed, second is prohibited, and third is mandatory. So now let's see from each of the option what is the impact on the sales order document and purchase order document. Now here, if for the user ID Amit Gupta, I will change the sales invoice posting policy to allowed, and now see what's the impact on our another tab on the sales orders. So now here, if I will go to the sales orders, let me just refresh my browser. And here, if you will go to the posting, click post. So now we have the option ship invoice and ship an invoice, which is the same as the previous versions. Now let's cancel this. And now if you will change for the another user setup, and here if you will change to the prohibited. And now let's refresh our browser again. And here if we will see the posting feature. So now if it is in case of prohibited, there is no options which will be given. So in prohibited, the user can only post the shipment. They cannot post the shipment invoice or they cannot post the sales invoice from the sales orders. Now let's take the third option. So here if we will put it, the third option as mandate. And let's refresh our browser. And here if we will go to the posting and click post. So here we have the option of posting shipment and invoice. So in this case, user cannot only do the shipment of the invoices. Thank you for your love and support for ASA Learnings. If you would like to know more videos on the Business Central or the project management, kindly subscribe our channel ASA Learnings and press the bell icon for getting the new notifications for our new videos. Thank you.